separation is okay. That's a very difficult concept for the parents. And to teach them self-regulation. The self-regulation will be lost. You created an angry child who is not secure. But if you create a security with a love, separation is okay by behavioral modification, and the parent becomes a teacher at this age, the child can be very secure and explore the world around it and become very creative, inquisitive to learn from the proximal environment. Here is a signal going to the eye, and we might just say we are looking at things. When I pick up this, I have many modules that is going from the software of my eye to expand and parallelly know many other senses. The purpose of me picking up this pen, or purpose of me looking for a laser pen, whatever. There is a different span in the eye, in the occipital cortex. There are some kids who do not see very well. They have a double vision and they shut out the influence on one side. That portion of the eye that is connected to the cerebral cortex does not give messages, and they have what we call it as a permanent blindness. Imagine a child who is watching family violence. Father or mother, could be either sexes, fighting, throwing fireballs at each other, or even physical abuse. Look at the media violence. On an average, if children are watching 2 hours of television, by the 18th birthday, they'll watch 200,000 acts of violence, which is a permanent memory as a problem-solving skill. Now, what happens when they see sight words? There are some students who can learn just by looking at the words in the context, reference and the context. But they cannot hear and learn. What happens when you give phonics? The seat of intelligence, the frontal lobe, is already connecting when they hear words. Rapid succession of words and phonics works better already connecting the discrimination portion of the brain, or the CEO of the brain. This is an example of hearing. Speech is discriminated by a 5-month-old baby. In Japanese, if a child was not spoken to in Japanese and English by 2 different parents, the child already lost the ability to pick up R and L's by the time a child is 9 months old. So education is here, can expose children to languages early on, and preferably if there are bilingual babies are touched by the parents, primary caretakers, and they are discharged from the hospitals very early. How many 2 working families are really hugging and touching their children and giving massage therapies? How many young mothers, are leaving the children with the babysitters and are going to work? Here is one where the baby, now we know the studies show that once even one leg is touched, both sides of the brain connect. Here is an example when under sedation, if the child is sleeping, the child is touched, there is no connection at all.